Here are 3 websites where you can make money by playing games on your phone. First one is GamTester.gg, pretty self-explanatory. If you're a developer, you would sign up and post your game there, but since we are testers, we can test out various games that are coming our way and we can win some experience points and even tokens which we can exchange for actual money. Yeah, I know it would be better to directly get money, but oh well, at least we're getting some tokens which we can exchange and get gift cards and stuff. We'll check it out. You can download their app on your phone so you can get notifications, and by testing out games you can earn XP and GT Gold. We'll discuss what they are. Here are some games that have been tested with this platform. I'll be honest, I haven't heard any of these, titles, but that's the point, isn't it? If it's an established game, they'll have their own teams. These are like smaller indie developers who just want to get public opinion. So here they have explained the difference between their experience points and GT Gold. XP is like the points you get by testing out a game. The higher a tester's XP, the more valuable games and testing gigs they'll get. Even when you create a new account, they'll give you some demo tests using which you can build up your XP. Just like how you earn XP points, you will earn GT Gold when you test out games depending on how much the developer has given you. And based on your region, you can get a direct bank transfer as well. Creating an account is pretty simple. You just enter your basic info and there you go. This is your dashboard. It'll give you a brief overview of what are XPs, what are GT Gold, and then it'll ask you to fill in your devices. It's pretty straightforward. You just select which device you have and that's it. And on their mobile app, you can pick a few more things, like you can select which category of games you'll like to test. By default, all of them are selected, which is fine, but if you don't want some genres, you can unselect them. Like for example, if I don't want any horror genre, I can unselect that. My life is horrible as it is. And there you go. Those are the games that are like available to you even when you create a new account, and by testing those, you can earn some XP and GT Gold right off the bat. It seems like a pretty cool website. You can go ahead and check it out. I'll link it down below. The next one is called Beta Family. Kinda sounds sus, but it seems alright. The concept is same, when a developer wants to get actual user feedback from different countries across various platforms, they'll come to you. You will help them develop their app and in exchange you get paid. Again, based on your rating, you can get paid more. So you sign up as a tester using your basic info again. Only thing to keep in mind is if you're an alpha male, you can't sign up here because it's a beta family. And the apps and games listed here don't seem to be the best of quality, but it's some kind of work, right? They'll specify exactly what they're looking for. You have to live in this area or you have to have these devices. Depending on your eligibility, you can apply for these. Hold on, what's this? Flying Pig Production. Wait a minute, that logo looks exactly like the pig from Angry Birds, right? Bruh. Look, some of these companies are a little sus, but if you're okay with that, then you can test them out. And that's what creative industry has become now. No one does anything original. It's just taking inspiration. And you can see some of them allow super old devices running like Android 5, which is ancient. I think it's called Lollipop or something. I don't think anyone has such an old device, but if you do, that supports it. So yeah, go ahead and check this out, Beta Family. I'll link it down below. And the last one is probably the best looking one, at least in terms of their web design, and that's Free Cash. They're well known for their surveys, but now they have app and game testing gigs too. You can see there are dozens of apps to choose from for various platforms, and I like that they have so many payment options. And yes, you can get a bank transfer depending on your country and eligibility. Signing up is super simple as usual, and if you go to that Earn tab, you'll see a bunch of apps and games, or as they call offers, available with the total price listed. Well, that's not the price, that's the total amount you will get by testing that app. It indicates which platform is supported on the top right side. So whichever one you have, just click on it. Let's say I'll click this casino roulette something. And look, there are clear instructions as to what you need to do so you can earn that money. In this case, I just have to play that game and get to certain levels, and I'll progressively unlock those rewards, a total of $18.22. I don't know how long it'll take for me to complete those levels, but if you're a gamer anyway, you'll get some money for this instead of playing for free. Compared to the previous two that I mentioned, I like the UI here the best. Plus there are a lot of apps to choose from and plenty of payout options too, so check out Free Cash from the description. And I will give an honorable mention to Playtest Cloud as well. I've made a video already, so I'm not gonna talk in detail. You can check out that video if you wish. But that's a similar thing. You sign up as a game tester, add your devices, and there you'll get direct payments via PayPal. So that's convenient. I'll leave all of these 3 and the bonus one linked in the description, so go ahead, check these out. If you appreciate my effort and would like to see more, just leave a like.